Come test drive the 2022 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights, privacy glass, front disc rear drum brakes, brake assist, variable speed, intermittent wipers. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.